Hi folks, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're back on the Onan generators, 7.5 kilowatts, 7,500 watts. It's a QD, quiet diesel. This is a continuation. I think this is video 3. Don't hold my feet to the fire. So this is on a power slide and it comes out. So I got to get down in there, get this unit out. So I want to do this it's called in frame. So what I had to do is hold on, I put you upside down, sorry. All right, I'm drilling holes. Right there, you see the bolt? There's a bolt back there. The bolt back, that's my first one, didn't do too good. So there's my small hole for that bolt. Right, hold on. Right there. Hold on, let me get a light on that. See that bolt right there? That hex nut? There you go. There. So instead of pulling this generator all the way out and putting it over there, I'm going to do it right in here. All right. So let me turn. So what I do, I'll show you real quick. Start out with a small hole. Make sure I'm dead center on top of the bolt. Then I go bigger. I step up 2 or 3 sizes. Then I use my burr grinder, right? I can go like this, make it a little bit bigger, okay, because it's bigger than a 1/2 inch. And then I got a 10 millimeter. It'll fit in that hole like that, see? And I take the bolts out. All right, because there's right here, if you see this cover, this is the black cover I'm taking off. There's one bolt down there, I got to do it too. So I'm going to slide this up, and that'll expose all that down in there. All right, so there's your radiator. We went over this already. And there's them 3 fuses I told you about on the diagram. I'm helping a guy out right now with the same generator with a no crank situation. And back on his starter, he didn't get a start signal. So the switches on your generator are pull downs. All right, and I'll teach you what a pull down is. All right, but basically you got 2 live wires that go to that little computer in there, and when you hit the switch, all right, you hear that pump, it grounds, it tells that module you're turning it off, but also turn on the pump prime. And this is a diesel, so it has a temperature sensor, and it says, well, if you're below, I think 40 degrees, then it'll do the glow plugs, which is, all right, one of them fuses there, 25 amp. All right, so this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, there's a couple ways to get a hold of me. One is jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. That's my email. The other one is the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. The other one is the website where I do one-on-one with you through video link. You know, you can do Zoom. You can use the Facebook Messenger video chat. It's really successful. If you want to know about how successful it is and how people are not even knowing what a multimeter is or certain tools, and they're saving thousands, and I mean that, thousands of dollars a year, all for, like, I think I'm charging you $96 a year now. That is www.rvdiagnostics.com. Okay, so the other is the YouTube channel, which you're watching now. Give me a thumbs up on this. Put some comments down below that you have a 7.5 or a 10K or a 5K, or, all right. And when I do like a 4 or 5.5K and I do something on it, I post it. I have videos on one that I did a gasoline fuel pump on. I put Onan products on. You can put what you want, Chinese stuff or whatever, you know, but I put Onan, and it lasts a lot longer. So remember, Facebook page, website, YouTube channel, and the garage here at Beaufort, Delaware. All right, that's a 40-foot RV. I got a couple feet back there, and that plenty of room right there. All right. I have a bathroom for you. Got a shower here. I'm going to have a hot tub here eventually. We ordered it. Let me show you. It's a heater up there, which I got to move that. And I already moved my shelf that was over here. But this is all coming down. All this is going to go away because I can swing my RV in like this. Okay, so this distance here will be about here with the slides open, give us a little bit more room on each side. So that's my old generator. That's 16,000 watts. That thing that's a gasser, but it also works off propane. And here's my back room, see? All right, not a lot of room, but still enough for me to work in. So if it wasn't for this office here, I could probably put two 45-footers because it's 52 foot inside by 39 inside. So that's pretty good distance. See, that's where I put the shelf. I did that yesterday. I was just tired yesterday. Just showing you a little bit. Yeah, I work on these too. I'm a diagnostician, folks. I troubleshoot just about anything. All right, remember, give me a thumbs up on this Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Check out that tool list for me. All right, there's a lot of tools. And if you don't see one on there that you have, message me. Hey, Jeff, I got this tool and I use it for this and I think it's pretty good. So let me see, because, I got like 150 grand in tools and can't never not have enough of them because I work on everything out there. All right, thank you very much.